Hey everyone, happy Friday. Today is March 20th, 2020, so happy spring. I know that we have a lot going on in the world right now with the coronavirus and everything. I really just want to encourage everyone to try to stay as positive as possible. We will get through this. I know that um, it seems like everything is out of control, but I really just want to encourage you to try to focus on the positive as much as you possibly can. Um, and don't be afraid to take a break. Take a break from the news, take a break from social media, go take a nap, go take a walk. Especially if you're in Boston, today is such a beautiful day. Go outside and get some fresh air. I plan to do that after this video. Um, I really just, want to encourage people to try to remain as positive as you can. Go binge watch something on Hulu or Netflix. Right now, I'm binge watching The Golden Girls, which I just started watching, so I'm super late to the party. But I say all this to say, just try to remain as calm and positive as possible. I know that's really hard right now, but try to find something to latch onto that brings you joy and peace and happiness during this really difficult time that we're going through right now. We will be okay. I really believe that we're going to make it through. It's just a really crappy situation right now that we're dealing with, but please try to stay as positive as you possibly can. So for those of you that are new, I'm attorney Bianca Jordan. I'm an immigration attorney in Massachusetts. I help immigrants all over the world to live in Massachusetts, or not just Massachusetts, but live in the United States. I help people with deportation defense, green cards, asylum, US citizenship, and more. If you'd like to learn more about me and my law firm, you can visit brazenlegal.com. So I really wanted to just hop on here really quickly and give you guys some updates on how the coronavirus is still impacting your immigration cases, as well as how it's impacting my law firm. I have some notes because there are a lot of updates that I want to run through with you guys. But first, I just want to let you guys know that I'm open. My law firm, Brazen Legal, is still open. I'm not offering any in-person meetings until further notice, but I have no problem communicating with you via phone or Skype or Zoom or WhatsApp. As you know, I have clients all over the world who I haven't met in person, and we're able to communicate via phone, Skype, Zoom, email, WhatsApp. I started my law firm on the principle of meeting my clients where they are. And so from day one, I have always made it a point to use technology and social media to get to my clients to deliver legal services and the legal information that they need, and I'll continue to do so now. So if you need to talk to me about your immigration case, you can always call my office at 508-942-7497 to make an appointment. And you can also visit brazenlegal.com as well. On the homepage at the top of the website is a link to book a consultation with me if you need to do so. So USCIS is still open. They're just not allowing any in-person meetings. So you can still apply for your green card application or your citizenship application. You can still submit your applications to USCIS. They're just not allowing any in-person services right now until further notice. So if you needed to do an InfoPass appointment, for example, you're not going to be able to do so until at least April 1st. So if you do need to contact USCIS in the meantime for any reason, you can contact them at 1-800-375-5283. Next, naturalization ceremonies have been postponed for March and April 2020. There's no word yet on when those will be rescheduled, but once I find out, I'll obviously let you guys know. And speaking of citizenship, now is still a great time to apply for US citizenship. Especially because, again, the prices are going to go up for citizenship right now at $725. Those filing fees are expected to go up to almost double. So if you can apply for US citizenship right now, please do so. If you need a fee waiver, you can still apply for that as well. And if you wanted to learn more about the citizenship application process, you can visit brazenlegal.com/citizenship for more information. So global travel right now is pretty much suspended it's really limited in your ability to get in and out of the United States right now. And so there are a lot of people here that are on visas that maybe are about to expire, or the visas are, your authorized period of stay on that visa is about to come to an end. So you're able to apply for a visa extension as a result of the coronavirus. So you're still able to do that if you need to do that. Similarly, the Department of State is not processing certain visas right now, and certain functions at the embassies abroad is also slowed down a little bit. So between everything that's going on with the coronavirus and things going on with the new public charge rule, you can expect some delays in your immigration cases. So definitely try to be patient, still stay on top of it, because some delays might be warranted, some others might not be. And if there are any delays that aren't warranted, there are ways to get your immigration case to speed up a little bit more. So definitely work with your attorney on, just figuring out whether a delay in your immigration case is valid due to the coronavirus, or if this is just something that's out of the ordinary. If your case has already been pending for a couple years, for example, let's just say you had a green card interview years ago and you still don't have your green card, that is not okay. And you should definitely work with an immigration attorney to get your case sped up, because that's not fine. So definitely continue to keep tabs on your immigration case, but just know that because of the coronavirus and the new implementation of the public charge rule, your case might take a little bit longer than it normally would. Next, I want to talk about immigration court. Immigration courts throughout the country, some of them are closing, some of them are not. In Boston, cases, the immigration court is still open, but non-detained cases have been postponed. So people that are not currently in ICE custody, those cases have been postponed. So if you have any questions about whether or not you should be appearing in court in person, you can call the court directly or speak to your lawyer if you have one, so that you know what you need to do regarding your case. Lastly, the expanded travel ban now includes the following countries. It's a long list, so I'm going to look at my notes again. The United Kingdom, Ireland, Austria, Belgium, the Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. But these travel bans do not apply to U.S. citizens, green card holders, their families, diplomats, as well as people that are traveling as air or sea crew. So for example, like flight attendants traveling as air or sea crew with a C1 or D visa. So as always, I hope that you found this video really helpful. Please like my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always stay in the know about developments in immigration law. If you have any questions about what I talked about in this video, please drop them in the comments. If you'd like to discuss your individual case, you can call my office at 508-942-7497, or you can click the link below to book a consultation. And please just stay safe out there. Try to stay as sane as possible. Try to stay as positive as possible. We will get through this. And I just want to send you guys love wherever you are. Thanks for watching.